Alright, what's up guys? We're about to drop the engine in right now. I had made a video earlier, but I accidentally deleted it. But yeah, I mean, we took a little lunch break and we had to find some bolts, but right now we're like in the middle of dropping it in. Transmission's on, clutch is on, obviously all that good stuff. So yeah, my boy Tony here to help me. My little brother's here. Have my little brother hold the camera while me and him try to finesse the engine in here, because you know, it'd be kind of fun putting it up from the top. So have my little brother take over the camera and let's get this motherfucker in.
I don't want to go down first, right?
So drop it a little more.
Put a jack under, bro.
A jack under you did? Or could we finesse it like this or what? Like, a little more or what? You want to lift it up a little more? Sit it over here.
Yeah, but it's gonna be. Oh, you know what? Nah, it's because it's leaning too much, bro.
Maybe you could lean down on it. I'm gonna lift it up a little more. Just a little bit.
No, you know what? Keep going, keep going.
You want? Ah, fuck, I can't. It's because the alternator hit him back here. So we gotta like lean, we gotta go in a little bit inwards. See how this is hitting right here? Oh, fuck. So yeah.
I should put a jack right here and we push up right here. Like with a piece of wood or something.
Alright, well, we're gonna be dealing with this and we'll pick up once the engine's in. Alright, so after we kind of moved it around a couple times, it went in. It wasn't too bad. We just took the, show you, we took this driver's side mount off. So, because it was landing on here and the alternator was hitting the master cylinder, so we just took this motor mount out to make it a little easier. So now we're gonna just hook everything up. Probably go run to the store and get some oil and see if we can turn it on. So I'm gonna just get the dizzy, get all this connected, then see if it fires up. Big shout out to my boy Tony.
Yeah.
And Team 2 active, we out here. So yeah, let's get this done. I'll start recording once the car is turned on. Alright, so we got mostly everything hooked up right now, guys. I'm gonna go to the AutoZone real quick to get some oil, some stuff I need. So I'm gonna show you guys the engine right now. It's all looks in there right now. Fortunately, I have all these wires here. I mean, it's in a D-Integra, that's mostly how they are. But maybe one day I'll tuck this nicely and tuck this away. But for now, just want it to work. So we're gonna go buy some oil right now and hopefully it starts. So till then. Alright guys, so it already got kind of dark, so sorry for the lighting. But yeah, so we got everything on the car. So hopefully it turns on right now. Hopefully all the wiring is right. Hopefully all the grounds are right. So I'm gonna prime the car first, you know, so it'll get the oil to circulate through the new turbo. And yeah, so I'm gonna hand the camera to my little brother. And let's see. There's power. Yeah.
What happened? Yeah, 10 mil. Let me tighten up the battery right here. 10 mil is loose. What the fuck's clicking over here though?
No, the Phillips should be up there still.
Phillips? Should be up there. Oh, top cycle?
I don't even hear the fuel pump kick on.
It's like it gets power and it's like.
You know what's the V pump?
You have the ground on the thermostat?
Nah, that's the one. So should I just crank it first, anyways?
Yeah, probably.
Hopefully it cranks. The battery's been sitting for a minute. Ready?
It's not even any oil coming out yet.
Huh?
There's not even any oil coming out yet.
Should some be coming out already?
Probably. I mean, we want the oil to go all through the turbo.
Alright, let me crank it. Is there?
No, not yet. You want to turn it on, see if it will? Then we'll turn it off right away.
Yeah.
You go off of that same 10 mil or you go off of another one?
I go off that same one.
Cause there's a bracket on there with the 10 mil, but it's loose.
No, that's another one.
Probably.
Sorry. Hopefully that one isn't too long. Yeah. So I put the ground on the thermostat. On the thermostat housing, I mean.
Can't find the hole, bro.
Come on, bro.
You have a 10 mil anywhere?
Should be the only one right here. Hopefully it's not too long. Alright, so it should take it to turn on right now, right? Well, after we put. And then, hold on, I was gonna say something else, but I forgot. Oh. Hold on, let me connect the gauges real quick. I think it might be connected to these same ones. So I think this is this shit loose?
I just put the fucking.
Trying to fucking just rig it for now. That'll work, right? Technically?
No, you're not making any contact with the ground. Oh, here's this.
Just put it in there. Just for now, guys. Just so I'm relocating the battery, so I don't think it's gonna stay like that.
No, he's not.
I'm gonna zip tie the battery so it don't fall off, bro. Should be cool right there. What was this?
Fuck, I should not even go all the way down.
I forget which one was the ground, but
that was red, so.
I think that one's it. If not, whatever. I got fuses for so it won't blow up. We'll check real quick. Ready?
Yeah. You hear the fuel pump? I ain't hearing the fuel pump. You might need that other ground, bro.
You think I need this?
Cause without both grounds, that should probably won't kick in.
What's all these?
No, the one from the valve cover.
Oh, you think so?
Cause I mean, we didn't even really clean that one off, remember?
Alright, so where's the box for that? Where's the bag at? You put it back in the car, huh?
Yeah. Behind your seat.
Alright. What's up? Nothing?
Nothing to the bottom?
Nah. Right here. I won't reach.
It was holding something.
Oh, was it? Oh, this shit. Oh, I think I might need that shit actually.
You want to use this one instead?
Go ahead.
Alright, let's see if that helps.
Dude, the fuel pump kicks on.
Nothing.
Nothing still? TPS one with the.
I don't know.
What is this one?
I think that might have been to like AC or some shit. I don't think it's nothing that important. Jump. It's kind of weird. Unless you think it's really any of these?
I doubt it, bro. This is usually just for your like AC and your fans and shit.
Yeah, bro.
Because you could turn it on without that.
Charge again. I mean, they would have kicked on because the key's on anyways. I keep hearing something over there, bro.
Yeah, I'm hearing like a click.
That comes from like right here somewhere.
Do it.
It might be that box, I think.
The fuck is it coming from?
Like from here somewhere. What the fuck?
The VTEC's holding on. VTEC wants to kick in, bro. Yeah, not for I could hear from up here.
Keep doing it or what?
Yeah. Here, so we're trying to figure out the problem. Then we'll let you guys know once we figure it out. That way the video's not too long. Hey guys, so I'm recording off my phone right now because I forgot my camera. But right now we're trying to figure out a problem we have with the car. It's not getting power to the ECU for the ECU for some reason. So like I'm not sure what the fuck's going on. Been struggling for like 4 days. So I'll kind of walk you through what I already tried to check and see if you guys have any input on this. All right, so turn the key on. That happens. There's no ECU light, there's no oil light. The car does. I'm gonna turn it over, Tony. Car does crank. I've checked all the fuses inside here, over there, in the engine. Everything's good. I've replaced the main relay. There's that one. Replace it with this one, brand new. This one. When I give it ground to the ground on the relay, let me turn the key on. When I give it ground, my bad. When I give the relay ground, the fuel pump primes on and everything, but it pops the fuse number 1 right here. Pop that one out. It pops that. Focus. It pops it for some reason, and that's the fuse to all the lights and turn signals and all that, which I did in fact kind of cut. I did cut, but I mean I already put everything back together, kind of haggard right now, but I mean it's all individually. So I mean I really don't know where else to check. I mean the ECU's fine. I've replaced the ECU. I've checked my ECU in my friend's car. The ECU's good. The wires at the ECU have power at, what was the pin? A25. So I mean I really don't know where else to check. I mean I've been trying to give the relay power, ground. I mean I've been blowing all these fuses up, trying to test different shit. I mean I don't know, it's weird. And then also another problem I'm having is when I turn it to the ignition on at the VTEC solenoid, it clicks for some reason. I don't know why. It does like a little click every time I turn it on. Click, click, click. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but yeah, I mean, I'll keep you guys updated on it. I mean, if you guys have any solutions, just shoot a comment. Well, till then.